Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how we can connect a button to Arduino board and also LED, whereby we are going to control the blinking of the LED using the button. If we press the button, the LED will turn on. If we release the button, the LED will turn off. So let's get started. So step number one, we need to define the pin whereby we are going to connect the button, and also to define the the LED pin. Also, we need to declare and also assign them and also execute. So, number one, we need to go into int LED. We're going to use this variable equals to maybe LED. We are going to connect to pin number, I think 10. Let's connect to pin number 10. Next, we need to also declare button pin button uh, button pin. Then we need to assign it to any digital pin. For instance, I'm going to use pin number 8. From there, I'm going to go to void setup. This is the void setup. Any code we put in the void setup will only run once. So then we're going to prepare the pin mode of the LED. We're going to say the LED is going to be output because we usually get light from the LED. It's not input. Also, we are going to pin mode for the button pin, comma. The button is input pin. So for me, the board which I'm using, it has internal pull-up resistor. So I'm going to just include input. So for you, if you don't have the internal input pin, you can sorry, if you don't have the resistor for pull-up resistor, you can use the input underscore. You can say input underscore pull up. But for me, I'm just going to use input because my board has that, then semicolon. Then from here, we're going to void loop, whereby any code we put in void loop, it usually runs forever. So number one, we need to declare a variable whereby we are going to store the state of the input pin, which is the button pin number 8. So we are going to say int. You can use boolean int state. I'm going to say int state equals to digital read. So we have digital read and digital write. So what is the difference? In digital write, we are going to write. I'm going to show you when we reach there. So we have digital read. We are going to read the state of that pin. So we have digital read button pin. We are going to read the button pin, which is button pin number 8, comma, button pin, then semicolon. Okay, so anything in that button pin, it will be stored in the variable state. Okay, from here we need to do some conditional statements whereby we are going to use if statement. So if state equals, so we are equating state with a state, another maybe a state. So let's say if state equals high, the brackets, we need the LED to turn on. Digital right, LED, comma, comma, high. You can also write one high, so the LED will turn on. Else, so from here we are going to else LED should be off. digital right, digital right, LED low. Yes, I think our code is ready. So let's see if it has any errors. So let's see. So we need to verify by just clicking this button. It will verify the code. If there is any error, the code will never run and it will not upload. As you can see, we get done compiling. That means that our code is doesn't have any error. So we can now upload. But before we upload, we need to head to tools, then select the type of board which you are using. For me, I'm using Arduino Uno. I select Arduino Uno and the COM port. I'm using it. It's connected in COM number 12. Then after selecting that, we need to now upload. So we hit this button, upload button. Then we are going to upload the code to the board. So after uploading the code to the board, we don't need maybe to connect to the computer, or maybe you can connect, because the code will be stored in the IC, the ATmega 328P. So now it's done compiling. Maybe we need to test. So let's see how it works. So I think you can see my setup. Let me make sure you will be able to see. So this is the button. This one is the button which I'm pressing. It's connected to digital pin number 8. It's included there. And now we have this LED. Leave alone this one. We have another one here. It will light green if I press this button. So as you can see, after pressing this button, we get the LED turn on. If I hold the button, the LED will continue turning on. If I release the button, it will automatically go off. So if you have any question about this project, maybe you can comment there below. I'm going to answer it, maybe using another video or maybe a comment. Thank you for your time.